Hi guys, today I'm sharing this actually a fun product by NYX. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. So the shade that I'm talking about is, this is Yogurt. Like you can see, it's a very neutral yet like a shimmery kind of a shade. But I know there are tons of other shades. There's a category of deep colors like wine and all. Then of course this is one of the neutrals. There's also like these vibrant hues, if you like those peppy colors. So I like this one because this is very universal. Because this is more towards the basic shade, is more like a neutral shade, so I feel I can utilize it in the daytime. But because it has some sheen, I also utilize it in the night time. I just like put it like little more prominently, so overall it works great for my skin. So guys, I use it in two manners. I use it for my eye makeup primarily as eyeshadow on my eyelids. So once I've just put some concealer on my eyelids, I would dab some of this, apply this with a pencil, right, and then just like smudge it a little bit to give like that natural kind of a shimmer. Also, on days I utilize it as a highlighter primarily on my cheekbones. So once I've done the makeup, I have the blush on the right spots, I would just like draw like I would put a stroke on my the jawline, the apples of the cheeks, that area, and then smudge it nicely. So I feel it adds that I don't know, that it gives that X factor. It adds that sheen, that dewy look to the apples of the eye. When you smile, it looks very, very good. So I would recommend it for people who like that touch of glamour, a little bit of glam on their eye when it comes to their eye makeup. But this is definitely not that like over the top or very, very bold look. So this is subtle yet very glamorous kind of a look. So the good thing is, because the texture of this eye pencil is very, very creamy, because typically with eye pencils I find that a challenge, they tend to get dry, but this one is like really creamy. When you are applying it, you can feel it really glides onto the surface of the skin. Also guys, this is cruelty free, vegan, so doesn't irritate the eyes. So good for people who have that fear of their eyes feeling irritated, or who have sensitive skin as well. This is super safe.